Uh, Hi everyone, welcome back to the part 2 of how to create the jumping game, similar to the one we always see in the browser when you're offline. So next, what we're going to do, so we reached this point where we made the strawberry move from right to left in a continuous motion, but now we need to make it stop every time it touches the dinosaur. So how are we going to do that? So we'll go to motion, and then we'll say, not motion, we'll go to events and say when the green flag is clicked, when you click this green flag, we want this strawberry to stop when it reaches here. So we'll use the function called stop all, which is under control. So it's going to stop all the activities taking place. For example, it's going to make the strawberry stop or the dinosaur stop jumping. So the strawberry will stop moving and the dinosaur will stop jumping. But then we need to make it happen when we want it to wait first until when the strawberry touches the, so using sensing, I think, let me see if there's another function we can use. Using sensing function, so we'll make so we wait until when the strawberry touches the dinosaur right here, it should stop all. So the strawberry will stop and the dinosaur will stop. So let's see. So because we say when a green flag is clicked for both these two functions, we can just click here. So when you click here, see, the strawberry will stop. See, the strawberry will stop. So if we make the dinosaur also keep jumping, though, let me say if we use forever to make okay, when you make the dinosaur using the forever function, the dinosaur will keep jumping, and then when you go to strawberry and then we click the green flag, this one stopped. I don't think it touched it, but let's stop and let's play that. Okay, so we need to correct that. Okay, so we're going to remove the forever function, put this back, this goes back, but then we also want the dinosaur to make some sound. Okay, so anytime, let's bring it back, and we have to solve that problem of every time the dinosaur jumps up, it moves from this position to another position, but we want it to stay at this position. So we'll solve that too. But for now, we need to make the dinosaur make sound anytime it jumps. So play sound. We're going to choose sound. Let's see, play sound, start sound. We're going to say play sound. It's going to play pop, which I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's going to pop. So anytime it jumps, it pops. Every time it jumps, it makes the pop sound, which is good. Okay. So next, okay, to make it possible, this is what we'll do. We'll create another function whereby we'll have to make the dinosaur come back to its original position. So I'd like it to start from right there. So we'll go to motion, and then we say go to this position. Whenever you move the dinosaur, this X and Y values change. At the same time, it changes here. You see, this and this value are the same as this and this value. So if I move this dinosaur back, this value changed to 164, 115, 164, 115. So that's what it does. So I want the dinosaur to be in that position. So I'll say go to, not random position, because random position to just go anywhere where the strawberry is or where the mouse is. So I want you to go to this exact position, this one, the one I've set it to be. So I'll drag this here, and then I'm gonna do it using the green flag command. So whenever I click this green flag command, the dinosaur will be jumping, yes, but it has to come back to this position all the time, okay? So if we click this, that's for the strawberry. So if we click, this, the green flag goes on, and then this function is executed. Okay, so let's see if we click the green flag. Okay, the strawberry stopped. So let's say if we clicked we start with the dinosaur and click the jumping, I want it to be repetitive, so we'll say forever, but it's not repeating 10 times. Repeat 10 times. Let's see. I want to try something. So let's see if I put this function there, what will happen. It won't move, okay? So I'll have this and forever function. Let me see. You see, it's continuous, but at the same time, it goes back to this position, okay? So when you get the strawberry and you make the strawberry move, that's what happens, okay? But this goes back to its original position. But you realize while it's moving continuously, it keeps moving down. Okay, now, okay, that's good. That's good. And then now we're gonna make the dinosaur, the strawberry move. See, it touched the dinosaur's tail and then it stopped. So if we don't click this, let's see what will happen. So we'll get this going with the forever loop, and then going back to its original position, which is, wait a minute, this original position looks weird. Okay, let's just say that's the original position. So I'll remove this. I can change the number directly from here, but I just like having it accurate. So go to this position. So the dinosaur is jumping, and then the green flag is clicked. When the green flag is clicked, to have to go there. So we'll make the strawberry. We won't make it tap the dinosaur, so we want to see it keep going without stopping, which keeps going. That's good. But the moment you click this, when the green flag is clicked, to have the whenever the strawberry touches the dinosaur, this dinosaur will stop, and then it will go back to its original position that we had picked, negative x, where it's negative 101 and y negative 91. See? So if you look at the position, it's not there yet, but yeah, it should go back to its original. Yeah, so when you click back the sprite of dinosaur, it goes back to almost the original position. Okay, I think that's it for part 2. For part 3, we're going to add more obstacles, more strawberries and all kinds of fruits for the dinosaur to jump. At the same time, we'll add a score here. Anytime the score, the dinosaur manages to jump over and let the fruits pass, it earns a score. But anytime the fruit touches the dinosaur, it loses points. Okay, so see you in the next part of the video.